Today we are going to learn how to add animations into your game in Scratch. So many games they are good, but they don't have any animations in them. So that's why they seem bad, but they are. So firstly, I'm going to have to find a game without animations in my stuff. So you could either create a new game, which I am too lazy. So as I was saying, you can either create a new project, which I am too lazy to do, or do it with an existing project. So I'm just going to look for an existing project. Okay, so now I have finally found a game. It is here, and so it is just Collider box, where you can collide with this box, and nobody cares about that, but it is quite boring because there's basically nothing to do, but we don't care about that. We only care about implementing animations. So I didn't actually find a game that's fun, but it has bad animations. I just found any game that I could see. So firstly, I'm going to remove this name tag. Of course. Okay, so now there's actually supposed to be animation, but okay, so firstly, I'm going to remove this left pose, and I'm going to duplicate it and add another pose. I'm just going to name it right pose. Walk. Wow, what a cool name. So after that, I'm going to edit this. I don't know, I can't really make a full animation, so yes. And so now, as you can see, I have broken the game. So now if we move left, then everything's going to get broken, but we just change this to, instead of this left pose, then we change this to right pose, and we also add pointing direction 90 to each of them, except that we change the one for the left arrow to -90. So as you can see, oops. And there's also one crucial step, is that we have to add, where is it? Set rotation style left right. So now it's not going to turn upside down. Yay. It's fixed the problem. But it is still not really animated. I'm only going to animate for the left pose and right pose because whatever. And so wait 1 second. Switch costume to right pose walk. Duplicate, add, and delete the other one and change this back to 90. So that will not be glitching. And also, yeah, I think you should add the pointing direction 90 at the beginning, unless you want this to be happening. See, I'm moving to this I'm moving to this direction, to that green invisible circle, to that blue box, but it looks as if I'm moving in the other direction. That's why you have to add it in the beginning, not in the end. And after this, you are also going to have to add another. Wait 1 second. But the working animation still doesn't really look that good. So in right pose, we're going to have to move it up a little, and then it looks much better. But if you do this and do this, it's going to get stuck in one position. But I don't have time to fix that, so figure out how to fix it by yourself. So anyway, that's the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.